Hello folks, welcome to the video. I'm just gonna review a switch that I bought online for 600 pesos. It's called Tenda SG105D. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing video. The product came from China, as you can see in the labels here. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and let's do it. So right off the bat, here's our switch. Yeah. Look how cool that is. Look how small that is. I'm gonna do a comparison on how really big it is. This is the Tenda switch, and this is my mouse. So as you can see, it's almost as big as my mouse. And then then you get on the very same box, you get the manual, which is in Chinese. I don't know how to read Chinese, but this is pretty simple. But to set this up, it's really basic. And what's underneath here, I guess is, or would be our, yep, I'm right, our power supply. So to discuss, this is a 5-port Gigabit switch. You can see your Tenda logo. Then let me just put that on focus right there, and you can see that it has a LED button. So this is your indicator for your power, and this is the indicator for your port. So let me just power it on so I can show it to you guys. Just give me a second. Okay, so that's switch on. Okay, so the indicator lights will tell you that it's on. And for example, if you put on your internet cable, let me just show you my cable really quick. So you put on your RJ45 or Ethernet cable. You can actually put it anywhere. You can actually put it anywhere in here. And as you can see, it lights up the port 5 LED, because I've inserted the cable in the port number 5 in this box. So basically, to set this up, it's pretty easy actually. So you get the cable coming from your modem or your router. Be sure that this cable has internet on it. You can put it anywhere here on the ports. Then whatever other ports you connect it into, or whatever cable you connect into the ports will get internet. So what's the difference? What's the difference between the Gigabit ports and the fast Ethernet or the 10/100 Mbps Ethernet? It's basically just the speed. So fast Ethernet offers up to 100 Mbps of speed, while this one in particular provides 1 GB per second. speed. So fast Ethernet ports generates more delays, which Gigabit ports doesn't. So this is basically it, and thanks for checking out this video. Bye guys.